Hello, my name is Bogdan and I'm today here with Robert,
My name is Robert.
Tudor,
Hi.
and Darius behind the camera.
Hello, hello.
Today we are going to prepare mici. That is a definition in Romanian, but in English we can call them liters. They are a combination of meat, pork, lamb or beef. You are going to prepare them with these seasonings, some sunflower oil. Here we are going to mix the meat, and here is the meat. Okay, so now we took the meat out and we are going to mix it with the seasonings. Okay. We are going to put some more, but first we have to get some oil on the fingers so you can mix a lot more easier. It helps a lot the process of making them. We are going to put a lot more seasonings on the meat. It depends on the preferences you have. Okay, so now we are going to make them properly. First you have to take some sunflower oil on your hands, and after that you have to take some meat and do it like this, and they're going to look like this. You have to do the process as many times as you want so you can fill the plate. Okay, so now the dish is completed and we can go to the barbecue part.
Hi, I'm Robert and I'm gonna show you how to make fire in Romania. Put some pork fat to clean the barbecue. Now I'm gonna put the liters on the barbecue.
Okay, so now we leave them for 3 minutes on each side. We need to pay attention to don't get burned.
Now the littles are ready to be eaten. This is the final dish. I hope you like it. We usually serve them with mustard and fresh bread. This is a traditional dish, and also today we are celebrating in the 1st of December we are celebrating our National Day of Romania. Enjoy!